Welcome to the Law Enforcement Money Minute. This is a channel made by a law enforcement officer and financial advisor, exclusively for other law enforcement officers. The goal is to spread information and practical education about retirement planning and financial wellness in our world. Due to the nature of my schedule in law enforcement and running my own financial firm, I will make the videos in this format where I can script them and make all of the content original to me, but still not have to spend hours filming and editing. So it's a win-win in terms of getting this content out into the law enforcement world. So go ahead and subscribe, because there is a lot to come. So a little bit about me and my journey. I started my law enforcement career in 2007. Like many in this profession, I was oblivious to many things, including personal finance, retirement planning, or even a solid grasp of how my pension or 457B plan worked. As the years went by, I saw others retire, unprepared, taking jobs they did not want because they had to, crippled by retirement healthcare costs, and severely uneducated when it came to understanding these topics. Then the pension reform began, and it grew even worse. I contemplated how I would manage my own retirement when the day came, and how I would ever be financially secure, let alone financially free. Throughout my career, I've worked in patrol, traffic, community relations, K-9, investigations, and now supervision. But nothing taught me what I would need to know to set myself up for the future and for my life after law enforcement. So in 2019, I became a financial advisor. I thought it was the best of both worlds, to help others plan for retirement and be financially well while securing my own future by earning some extra income outside of the department. As I delved deeper into my second career, I realized just how much of an underserved market law enforcement really was. This was evident in my own selection of 457B plan and various other financial decisions that I will discuss on this channel. I was 23 years old when I started this deferred comp plan and clueless, so I enrolled in a high-fee, 16-year surrender charge annuity that was literally eating my money over time. Becoming an advisor and working with hundreds, if not thousands, of law enforcement officers and public employees taught me quite a bit. Since 2019, I have worked almost exclusively with law enforcement, teachers, and other public employees, helping them to achieve a sense of financial wellness, plan for retirement, and empower them with the knowledge to make sound financial decisions. As the founder of Thin Line Financial Group and Public Employee Retirement Training, I've helped officers and their families with creating financial plans, estate plans, retirement income plans, pension planning, college savings plans, and more. I went on to write the book, The Retirement Roadmap for Law Enforcement, to get the message more widespread among the law enforcement community. I could only meet with so many people personally, and I wish someone had given me all of this knowledge when I was 23 years old. Time is literally money, and it is the one resource that cannot be replenished. You only have one shot to get retirement planning right, and most don't even think about it until it's too late. There's no education at the academy, at your agency, or even by the pension board or 457B companies. Sadly, you have been on your own until now. All you do is look out for others. But when it comes to your financial picture, no one is looking out for you. There is so much to unpack when it comes to figuring out your pension, deferred comp plan, retirement benefits, Social Security, investment accounts, investment strategies, and tax strategies. My goal for this channel is to do just that, to break these complex topics down into manageable videos in plain English so that you can have the information I didn't know I needed 18 years ago when I started in this profession, and to give you this information in real-world practical scenarios so that it makes sense. We'll even talk about business ownership on this channel, which I wholeheartedly believe in for law enforcement officers in 2025 and beyond. These kinds of topics are traditionally dry, but they won't be on this channel. The Law Enforcement Money Minute will be dedicated to helping police officers and law enforcement professionals take control of their financial future. From understanding pensions and retirement planning to building financial wellness and managing benefits, this channel provides clear, practical advice tailored to those who serve and protect. Each video will break down complex financial topics into quick, actionable tips so you can make smart money moves without the jargon. Whether you're just starting your career, mid-career, approaching retirement, or even if you're retired, this channel will equip you with the tools to build stability, security, and peace of mind. Topics will include pension and retirement planning, financial wellness strategies, maximizing benefits, saving and investing tips for officers, and planning beyond the badge. If there is something you want to see, shoot me an email or drop a comment and I'll make the content. I was able to secure a plan for my future, and I want the same for you and every other law enforcement officer out there. So, whether you are local, county, state, or federal law enforcement, subscribe and hit that notification bell because there's a lot to come and we are just getting started here on the Law Enforcement Money Minute. Thanks for watching and stay safe.